Hello everyone and welcome back to Universe Sandbox. I am finally back to make more videos and I have an idea for this video. We can add moons to every single planet starting on Mercury. So let's go to add. Let's see where the moon. Let's add small moons. They're bigger than other people. So Mercury has one moon now. Let's add 2 moons. I can't see the orbit. Let me just. Okay. Yeah, here. Oh wait, the other one flew away. I guess Mercury can only have 1 moon. Wait. Pause time. The moon looks like it crashed into something. No. What if one of the moons become habitable? That would be crazy. Thought it'd be different. Looks like Saturn. Okay, add. How big are the moons compared to them? No, that's actually kind of big. Okay, let's add small moons. Here's 1, here's 2. I'll add maybe 3. And I'm gonna slow down to see if they're doing good. Yep, it looks like they'll be doing good. Okay, Earth, the planet we all live on, is about to get a moon. Should we make a big moon? First, a big moon, and oh no, oh, it's all red. The speed up time probably will cool down. Oh yeah, it's cool down. You can see like the red's gone. And let's, instead of just keeping it inside, let's add a small one outside maybe. So they won't crash anymore. Is that good? Oh no, it's wobbling. That is not good. I'll just leave it to 2 moons for Earth because 1 big moon is fine. 1 big moon is just like 2. Okay, does Mars need one? Definitely not. How big can they get? Can they get as big as Mars? Okay, I'm gonna add 1, 2. Yeah, just 2. I am not adding anymore. They are already getting wiggly. This is very hard. Especially with Mercury. Please don't lose your. Oh, thank you. Okay, now we're gonna head on to Jupiter. Okay, let's see how the small moons are actually compared to him. Whoa. Dun. I might also add some twisted ones too. This actually looks good. Yo, this is crazy. Nah. Okay, should I add 1 more here? And then make a big one here. And yeah, I think this is good by now. Unless none of them crash. Yeah, I think they're all good. And this is how they actually look like. This Febrile or whatever. Where are these names coming from? Are they just random names or real moons? Like, not in our solar system? So, like, the real moon can pop up? Cool. I don't want to add the rings. It's gonna make the moons all wobbly. Not to Saturn, and then add these. Add more to Saturn. Saturn has the most moons actually. Please don't crash. Oh my gosh. It's like an infinite circle. This is way smaller than all the other. Can you see like Jupiter's? Yeah, like that. So this is not as much as Saturn. Saturn has way too much. Uranus, okay. I'll add like a few maybe. Like one in the really back behind there. Who's like a wobbly and then this one. Is that enough? Yeah, I'll say that's enough for him. But why is it disappearing? Yeah, all of them are wobbling. Like all of them except for them two. Oh, they're switching now. This is not good. This could mean they might like explode. I haven't seen. Why did something crash there? Okay, let's check. Mercury, are you good? Yes, you are good. I keep seeing like lots of fragments, so that means why are they most likely to Venus and Earth? Venus is okay. Earth. Yeah, lost one. Okay, that's fine. Check on Mars. Yep, everything's okay. Let's move on to Neptune, right over here. With, I'll say like a few moons, not that much. I'll say 5 moons. Yeah, this looks good. Don't wanna like add too much. Oh no, this is not good. Pluto. Can we add like the flashlight thing? Yes. Looks so weird. Okay, let's add. I'm gonna add say 2. Oh my god, 2 small moons. Oh, okay. Oh, wait. I can't even see if you can put the flashlight on. Go on Pluto. Flashlight. How much is the orbit moving? Oh my. Oh. Wait. Oh my gosh. Pluto is going in a circle. We have to end this right now. Okay, I can't land on the moon. No, you the moon. No, Pluto, I'm so sorry. Oh, this is broken. How do I just slow down everything? Go on you. Delete you. You're literally messing Pluto up. Is there a way to delete you? Yep, there is. Yep, bye-bye. Hey Pluto, let me catch up with you. Yep, good. Okay, let's check. Small moon, I'll say just like that. That's all better. Just one. It likes Saturn, like the other moon that Pluto has. Oh my god, look what has happened here. They're all bigger than Pluto, bro. This is so crazy. I did not want to add to the other ones. Is it moving? No. Oh my gosh, it's going crazy here. Earth, you're sad. You lost one. Sad. Hey, I'm gonna add another one. Actually, maybe it will actually work. Or does it work? Yo, it actually works. Yeah, this is good. I like it. So I guess that was quick. You know what? Let's actually add to the other ones. How small are they gonna be? I'm gonna start with, I think Aries is the biggest one. Oh my god. Why does he look? Where is he? Yeah. Yeah, can I have a flashlight on? Yo, yeah, he looks like this. I thought he looked way different than I thought he would be. A small man is this compared to him. Are they overtaking each other? Oh god, no. Only add one moon to them. I do not want to see fragments. Which one is this one? Oh, this is Eris and Eris. Senna has the biggest one of all. I thought it was this one because it stretches out so high, which is just an asteroid. See, does that mean it was found in 1906? Weird. I always thought the numbers is when they were found. Senna, let's see how you went to in there. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, you got perfect view. Oh my gosh, a person who'd be living it would have like no light. Like when the sun is there, you like see the whole solar system just from like that. Like, imagine two planets way too close to each other. Imagine they could see like Pluto. Cause is anyone the closest to Saturn? I'll say this one is. If this one goes here and Senna goes here and you're like living there, you could maybe see that asteroid or something. Went you in. I hope Senna's not that too small. Oh. Let's just orbit each other. Please do not crash. Oh, Senna has decided to leave the solar system and is circling. They have a friend now, which they are both orbiting each other. Over the binary. Oh wait, are they like also moving in the solar system while they do that? Moon orbiting binary. It keeps recovering. Amen, you have to go. Amen, you have to go. Bye. Oh no. How does Senna go that fast? Wait. Is Senna going backwards? No. Did I just make him go back? No way. No. Oh yeah, he's going backwards. This is all my fault. I have done everything wrong. Make something smaller than him. No. I have an idea. We've got to add asteroids. So smart. Is he good like that? Yeah, he looks like he has rings. Cool. Like add it together and look, it looks like he has rings. Cool. What sound I think I made it go backwards. Now I'm not gonna add like these asteroids. We've done errors. What about Mercury? Ah! Now go off. Oh yeah, let's go to him. No. Yes. How does he look like? He's probably like, red. Oh. Yeah, flashlight please. What? No, this is all wrong. He's definitely like red. He's like red, right? Wait, whose orbit is moving like that? Errors, okay. Yeah, I don't really care. Wait, are these asteroids? Yeah, these are asteroids, and then we're going like that, and then. Oh, I feel sad. Eris didn't get an asteroid, but he's still good with it. Good, like Pluto has. Where did you go, Eris? Let me check how you're doing. Yeah, he's completely fine. Why are you like wiggling? Wait. Now all we've got. How far does this go? Just going past the Milky Way? Like, oh my. Is this infinite? Oh. I cannot believe how far it is. All we're gonna do. Should we do Chiron? Okay. I'm gonna do that little Chiron thing over there. Oh my gosh. Isn't it circuit? Isn't it like. Isn't it an oval with rings? I always thought it was an oval. Let's add an asteroid. How big is a small oval? Okay, asteroid, 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 asteroid. So big. That's his rings. Actually looks so cool. Like in the dark with these planets. Like the white trails, they make it look so cool like rings. Now we're doing that core thing. Core R. I do not know how to spell this. I zoom to in. Thought it was like purple. I do not know why, but I thought it was purple. Okay. How big is a small moon? Like nearly the size of him. Wait, a random moon. Oh my gosh. You could fill like 3 or 4. Probably. It looks kind of big, so I'll add like 4. He looks kind of big. Rings. I love to see like these stars. I know they're not like real. They could be just like. They could just be like random stars for the decoration. Yeah. Okay, the last one, which is this an asteroid? Okay, this is going to be the last one. How big is a moon? Oh, that's big. Even small moons. Asteroids are nearly bigger than me. Okay, let's add 2 asteroids maybe. Okay, this is the end now. I think Uranus is good now. Later, we might check on this again after some videos and see what could have happened. And I'll make more videos next time. See you.